Welcome sa What's Trending ngayon. And ang topic natin ngayon ay si Veronica Kitty Duterte. She is the youngest daughter of our upcoming president, Mayor Rodrigo Duterte. And first time ko siya nakita sa meeting de avance nila sa Luneta. And she always go to his father. And napaka-fresh ng look niya. Although she is very young pa. She is 12 years old. But still, parang ang bait-bait niya, ang humble niya tingnan. But yeah, this is her interview talking about his father.
How is he as a dad?
Loving, caring, funny.
So, total opposite. Ah, okay. So, hindi ka naman natatakot when you see him on TV. Bakit?
Wala, kasi pareho lang naman kami ng ugali.
Marami ang nagulat kasi ang bait niya kausap, ang humble niya kausap. Tapos noon sinisiraan pa si Duterte na pag nanalo daw siya, magiging walang galang yung mga bata, matututo magmura. But yeah, pinatunayan lang ng anak niya na nasa magulang talaga ang pagdidisiplina. Actually, yung pinakita kong video is not the first time na nagpa-interview siya. Na-interview na din siya ng Rappler during the campaign rally of his father sa Lipa, Batangas.
What do you feel when you're campaigning with your dad?
I feel tired, but we have to support him so that I remind him about the time and then about what he should say.
Do you feel mad when he doesn't follow you?
Sometimes.
What do you do when he doesn't follow you?
I don't talk to him and then he'll hug me and then say I'm sorry and then
So it's like you give him the silent treatment when he doesn't. So does he say sorry? So how do you feel when you see people shouting for your dad, when they're cheering for him?
Thankful ako sa tao na nag-support sa kanya.
Do you think he'll make a good president?
If he becomes president, yes.
Why?
He loves the country and he will take care of the people. Take care of the Filipinos.
So, I never thought talaga na ganito kalambing and ganun ka-bright magsalita yung anak ni Duterte. Nakita niya naman sa pagsasalita ni Duterte, napaka-trash talker niya, napaka-walang breeding. But yeah, ibang-iba ang pinakita ng kanyang daughter. And nagkalat yung mga admirer at saka yung mga nagkaka-crush kay Kitty. At isa na ako dun. So, good luck na lang sa mga manliligaw niya in the future. She's still 12 years old. So, may 5 taon pa kayo. 6 na taon pa kayong aantayin. Bago niyo siya legal na maligawan. Anyways, maraming salamat. And always, huwag kayo pahuhuli. Kung anong trending ngayon, dapat updated kayo. This will be a to be continued episode of Kitty Duterte because aabangan ko lahat ng lalabas niyang news. So, abangan niyo yan dito sa channel ko. Don't forget to subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa kanya. Okay? Peace out!